Welcome to this course in which I'm going to teach you two ways to generate an income online. And so basically, the system consists of finding a CPA offer, a cost per action. If you don't know what CPA means, it's basically in terms of if you are an affiliate, if you're looking to make money by promoting CPA offers, they pay based on the action. So that's why it's called cost per action. So if you promote something, the traditional sense, if you promote something as an affiliate, you only get paid if you sell something. But in CPA, you get paid if they take an action. So for example, it could be a survey that they fill out, it could be a questionnaire, it could be signing up for a free offer. So the product or the service vendor will specify what you need to do to get paid. And CPA offers can pay high commissions as high as $100 or more. Okay, so this is what the system is. You find the CPA offer, and then what you do is you build a squeeze page, and you make the CPA offer the thank you page, and then from there you just focus on driving traffic. Okay, and of course, when you're driving traffic to the squeeze page, you're also building a list and getting commissions at the same time from your CPA offers. So now that you have a list, you could start emailing them every day and generate your second income. And actually, emailing my list is actually where I get most of my income from. Okay, so in this video series, what I'm going to show you is how to build a squeeze page for free. Okay, and I'm also going to show you how to place an opt-in form on there and how to make the CPA offer the thank you page. And I'm also going to show you how to drive instant traffic to your squeeze page.